Hey, another beautiful morning on the golf course and a time for reflection. So I'll continue on the theme of accountability, and this time it is something from my experience about what do you take responsibility for, and my challenge to everyone is that you have to take responsibility for whatever you are being held accountable for. What does that mean? So when I took over as a CIO, I had a lean team, and there were a ton of things which were outside of IT control. For example, manufacturing technology or the manufacturing connectivity. So over a period of time, manufacturing had evolved where machines had to be connected, barcode readers were there, Wi-Fi's had to be there, and manufacturing guys did it on their own. But anything that went down, typically came on IT's head. And it was like spoiling our brand. We couldn't anymore get away with the argument that, this is not what we control. So I had this discussion with manufacturing guys that, we keep getting blamed for any IT problems on the shop floor. Why don't you give it to us? And they were very happy. Now similarly, as I was transforming the IT function, there were a ton of these things, where the control issues were not clear, or people had done something on their own without IT's intervention. As I continued making a difference with IT, we identified a lot of those areas where the functions had done something on their own, and but if something went wrong there, IT would be blamed, and then we would talk to those guys and bring those things under IT. There were areas where you can't simply transfer control, and those are the areas where we agreed on certain governance mechanisms, review mechanisms, and working together with IT sharing responsibility for certain things and the function sharing responsibility for certain things. So here is the principle: take responsibility for whatever you're being held accountable for. There are many mechanisms to do that. One is to discuss and sort of seek control if most of the accountability is coming on your head. But the other ones are to use processes like governance and setting up review mechanisms to ensure joint accountability. Looking forward to your comments.